Hi everyone. Today I'm wearing a Tomboy sweater. So this we have one in Merino number 5. This is cotton version of it. So we have yarn called big cotton. So this is 100% cotton. So it's very thick and you can make this sweater so easy. We have a pattern on our website. So this is called Tomboy and this is 100% cotton. This is very chunky and it's non-treated. So it's a natural cotton. It is very soft and because it's cotton, it has some weight in it. So how cute is this? You can wear with jeans, a dress or skirt. I think this is perfect for spring and early summer, and I love it and I hope you like it too.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.